Do it. Yeah. Oh, your shirt's on fire.
Wow.
You suck, dude. Microwave's over there. Where'd it go? Good. Hopefully.
Let go of it.
It's dead. You gotta throw it. Don't do that. Don't throw it. Don't throw it.
Get rid of it. Dumbass.
It's gonna come back at us. Go. Tanner, get the popcorn.
I don't know if it's ready yet.
Fire in the hole.
You almost died. You almost died. You almost died. Oh, right there. You gotta put the bowling ball in there. Just kidding.
Well, Sam, where'd the microwave go?
Look at the brain. That is so gnarly.
Yeah, buddy.
It tore that whole shit off.
To the ground.
Oh.
There's the microwave.
I'm taking this home for souvenir.
Put that on the wall.
New table for next year.
Damn it.
Yeah.
Hey, give me my hat back.